Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. So first of all, extremely sorry for the inconvenience. Since last 2 days, I have not give any newspaper editorial or newspaper video from the Hindu newspaper because as you can see, I got the 3 newspaper today since due to the Eid celebration, the newspaper car was not going to our locality. So that's why I cannot give you the video. So first of all, in this video, I am not only giving you the which new article is important, but along with it, I will definitely share the strategy or some tips which will help you to filter out the news analysis or to filter out the news which you have to read or which you have to skip. Because I feel that sometimes it happened already 2 days. It happened that I have not got the newspaper because first of all the lockdown. So no train or bus is going through in our locality, so that's why I am not getting the newspaper each and every day properly, and I have already subscribed it for this month, so I cannot skip this one and go for the online subscriptions. So I have to take it by offline in the August month, at least August month. So I thought it maybe happened further. So I thought if I make a video that how to filter out, how I can understand that which topic is important and which not. So if I make this video, this will definitely helpful for all of you, because on that day, if I cannot give you the video that which important article is, so you can watching this video, and by watching this you can get an idea and you can make your and you can filter out your by yourself. So I think I have made this one. So first of all, start with this first page. So in this video, I am going to share which page is most important, which topic are most important. So first of all, the open page is always important. Then you can skip the regional pages. That means the south, west, east, north, these type of page are totally based on the regional news. These are not important for the UPSC. These are important for the state PCS according to your state. If you belong to southern state, then you can read the southern page as you are if you are preparing for your state PCS. So for the UPSC, regional page is not so much important. Sometimes if you get some conservation related, like any national parks or like any birds or any animals or flora or fauna, then only it is important. Not each and everything is important from the regional pages, but most of the cases national page is very much important. That means the open page. So then come to the, first of all, I will tell you the which pages are important. So as you can see, these are the west, east. So here come to the editorial section. These 2 pages are most important, but on Saturday here the page is called ground zero. So on Saturday you will get a ground zero page, which is not so much important for the UPSC, because here you will get more factual details than the conceptual clarity. So our focus should more on the conceptual clarity, not on the factual details. So these 2 pages are the editorial page. That means the 6 and 7 pages. First the page number 1, then 6 and 7. Then these pages are not so much important, but today 1 or 2 page topic are important. Like, so first of all, I am going to share this one, that here you can see that all the news articles from the first page is not completed. Continued on. That means it's not a complete topic. You have to read this one from these pages. That means after doing the reading of first page, you have to directly come this page. Cut gratuity period to 1 year. As you can see, Modi Bhagwat will be on stage in Ajodhya. So that means these topics are already included in your first page, and it is the continuation of that first page topic, right? So you have to read this from this page also, because it's not complete topic. Here if you read this totally, then you can complete the topic. So here very few topics are important from this page. That means the page number 8, almost it's also a regional page type, but today only one topic I got from important. Then this page is here, the news page also. So the news page starts with the page number 8 and here ends with, I think, 11 number. Yes, 11 ends with 11. The news page ends with 11. So here you almost get the government scheme, government initiative, the current issues, what are going through in around us. So here you will get the almost all the most of the important things you will get here. Almost 7 to 8 topics are from these 4 pages. That means the news pages from 8 to 11. Then come to the this section, world section. Here you will get some important topic like 2 or 3, not more than that, because these are some regional topics. Sometimes it's not, if you feel that this is US and China, not every topic from US and China are important from the US India point of view. So not only this topic, but also you have to make some also extra topic like mass production in vaccine, like there may be silver bullets like WHO, any vaccine related, COVID-19 related, or the US sanction related, China and India relation related. So if you get this type of topic in this page, that means world page, then only you have to read, not each and every topic, but not more than 2 to 3 topic. You have to cover out at least not more than 20 topic from the Hindu news analysis. So not more than 20. So if you take only 2 to 3 topic from the world page, then it's sufficient. Then these are the business page. So as you can see, this is the 13 page number, business page, and business page is most of the time from the business oriented, but economy oriented not. But today I got some 3 to 4 topic which are important from the economy point of view, but most of the day I got it from the business point of view. But if you really want to read the economic solutions or economic type of current affairs, then I will recommend you can read the Live Mint newspaper. It is very much popular for the economic topic, like which are not covering in the Hindu news analysis. So then come to this page is the last page, which is called the sports or life page. That means most of the topic from here to the here is all the topic are from the sports. Only one topic, but not every day. Not every day. Sometimes it's totally from the sports, but sometimes it got only one topic from the life page. Life means either it may be environment related or it may be culture related. Either it may be from GS paper 1 culture, and either maybe or it from GS paper 3 environment. So as you can see, report on leopard sighting soon. So from today it is from the environment, but sometimes it's called Madhubani paintings or this type of things which are come under the culture sections. So this only one topic from the life page, from the last page, is very much important for the prelims point of view and also for the mains. But please focus on the prelims point of view, because the conservation and the culture, these type of current related topics are come under the UPSC prelims syllabus properly, and they asked questions each and every year. So first start with the analysis, which are the important topic. So as you can see, Modi Bhagavat will be on stage at Ayodhya event. So here you have to read only the Ayodhya temple as a culture point of view, not as a political point of view. Please read as a culture only from GS paper 1, just the Ayodhya temple and some history about it. Just that's it sufficient. No need to read from a political point of view. So then come to the cut gratuity period to 1 year panel. This is also from GS paper 1 and 2, because if you take it as a social security, here you can see this is a social security. If you take it as a social security, then it's come under the social issue of GS paper 1, or if you take as a legislation, then it's come under the GS paper 2. Then come to the SpaceX with NASA crew is back home. This is from the GS paper 3, science and technology. So this is important for the prelims and also for the mains, because science and technology are most of the times comes under the current affairs questions, not from the static one. So your main focus should be on the current affairs of science and tech. Then West Bengal ministers flags concerns on NEP. Tamil Nadu rejects 3-language formula. So here you have to read only West Bengal concern and Tamil Nadu's rejects reason for the 3-language formula and NEP, the crisis of the language of previously, or the history of the language, or the policy of NEP. Just it, nothing more than that, and not from the political point of view. You have to read the static one, not the issue one. Please be focused on the static point or the main core issue of that topic, not the current issue of that topic, because questions are not come under the current issue of that topic. The questions are come under the core issue of that topic. That means the main theme of that topic. So then come to this page. These are the regional pages. So then come to the editorial section directly. So first, time to unlock. Jammu and Kashmir can return to normalcy only with full statehood and release of political prisoners. A year on, Article 370 and Kashmir, the myth making, a change that hit federalism inclusions. So these three topics are from the 370, Article 370, revoke of 370 was held on 5th August 2019. That means complete 1 year from in this 5th August. So it is in the news. So you have to read this from your UPSC point of view, not as a political point of view. Please be focused on the, here you will get also the political point of view, some political parties name, but don't focus on these area. Just focus on the main theme of that Article 370, the federalism, inclusions, and our constitutions, and the constitution of Jammu and Kashmir, then the problems of Jammu and Kashmir which are facing since last 1 year, and the demerits and also the merits of this revocation. So main focus should be on your the core issue of that UPSC problem, prelims point of view or mains point of view. So these three are the same articles, these three are the same topic. You have to read it in an integrated way, right? So then come to the toxic brew. Liquor tragedies can be prevented if states close the gap for Hodge, ensure accountability. So this is from the GS paper to security also sections, because it is also under the internal security, drug abuse, it is also under the internal security sections. So then come to the conservative challenge to Hindutva. So this is from the, your main focus should be, which I have already told you, that some point are important from the GS paper 1 culture, but not the all, which I have already told you in the first page, that you have to read the culture of Hindutva, Ajodhya temple, Ram temple. So these are the important topics which you have to read from the static point of view for your prelims and mains for the culture sections, not the current political issue or the any political news. You don't have to read, and just if you get those type of topic, please don't make notes on this topic. Just make the notes from the culture point of view of the Ram temple or the Hindutva. Just that's it, nothing more than that. Then come to the profiteering during a pandemic. So overcharging the public should be made a punishable offense under the Disaster Management Act. So Disaster Management Act is under the GS paper 3. As you all know, environment and disaster is come under the GS paper 3. So if this topic is come under the GS paper 3, as it already mentioned the Disaster Management Act. Then come to this page. You have to read this one, which I have already told you. Indians stuck in Qatar jail seek help from PM's office. This is from GS paper 2. You have to read it from as a India-Iran relationships, not more than that. So then come to these sections. Normal applications, working without 4G in Jammu Kashmir. So it is also from the Jammu Kashmir revocation of 370. So you have to integrate this topic as your in your editorial section. Government to review outcome of military talks at LAC. This is from GS paper 2. It is already discussed many times, that India and China relations. Then come to the Pune farm gets not for vaccine trials. This is very much important topic from GS paper 2 and 3 both, because if you take it as a vaccine or any other vulnerable groups or government policies, then it's come under the GS paper 2. And if you take it as a science and technology, because vaccine is also come under the science and technology portions, then it also come under GS paper 3. Then come to the government issues draft policy to ramp up defense exports. This is from GS paper 2, security or the defense. Then come to expression of opinion is not contempt. It is from Constitution of India or the GS paper 2. So your main focus should be on the term or the explanation of this topic. Expression of opinion is not contempt. So please make sure that you know the each and every topic of the fundamental rights, and which are not contempt and which are contempt. So your main focus should be on the Constitution of India for the GS paper 2 and also for the prelims. Then come to these sections. Manrega running out of funds. The Manrega is an important government schemes, as you all know, 100 days works. So your main focus should be on these schemes and why this is running out of the funds. So here both the current and the static both are important for the prelims and also for the mains. This is from the GS paper 2. Then President celebrates Raksha Bandhan with nurses. it's not so much important, but if you want to read this, you can read and you can use it as your governance and as your GS paper 4 ethics case studies notes, or if you take it as a discussions or examples, but not so much important. Then come to the wall sections. So from wall section, this is important topic. There may never be a silver bullet for COVID-19 WHO. This is very important from GS paper 2. Mass productions of vaccine in 2021. This is Russia. So it is also from important the GS paper 2. Then come to these sections. That means the business sections. Manufacturing contracts for 4 straight months, July, PMI. So it is from GS paper 3. Rising deal, lending rate, rolling out RBI rate cards, report, GS paper 3. Eurozone manufacturing returns to growth in July, GS paper 3. Modi's upgrade yes banking bank ratings, GS paper 3. As you all know, this is a rating agency, Modi's. Then now ruptured unit to supply COVID-19 vaccine in UK. So these are all from the GS paper 3 because it come under the business sections, that means the economy sections. So now come to the last page. This topic I have already told you. Report on leopard sighting soon. This is from the GS paper 3. Conservation for the environment and the conservation of the GS paper 3. So these are the almost 20 topics, I think 20 to 21 topics which are important for the prelims point of view and also for the mains point of view in an integrated way. And in this video, I have already discussed each and everything that how you have to filter out. So first of all, filter out it, you need to know the syllabus of the UPSC properly, not the prelim syllabus. I am talking about the main syllabus. You have to know each and every term of the main syllabus. Without knowing the each and every term of the main syllabus, you cannot filter out that which are important and which are not. So first of all, I will highly recommend you, those who are beginner, please first memorize the syllabus properly. Then only you can understand that which you have to read and which you have to skip. So first of all, please read the syllabus properly. Then you have to try to yourself that whether I can do it by myself or not. I am helping you, it's okay, but you have to try by yourself also, that whether I am doing it by myself or not. So for that, please memorize the syllabus and try to analyze by yourself without watching my videos. If you at least got the 10 topics which are common between us, then you can make sure that you are going in a right track. So these are the some topics which you have to keep in mind while we are going for the filtering out of the newspaper. So I hope this video is definitely helpful for both of you, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.